Good afternoon, everyone. It is Wednesday, fifth period here at KIT Iizuka. This class is English 7C, and we have a couple of things that we need to talk about today. First of all, who hasn't signed yet? I think just two people, or three people. Okay, so please sign your names. Make sure you do that for each class. Okay, today is July 3rd, and I want to talk about first, I have two surveys that I want you to do, okay? This one is a ChatGPT survey. Another one is for me. So first, there's a ChatGPT survey here that I want you to do. Now, if you were already in my 7D class, so fourth period, then you only need to do this once, okay? But for the other people who have not taken this yet, this is a survey from my friend in Tokyo. Her name is Professor Louise Ohashi, and she's a professor at Keio or Waseda? I forget. Keio or Waseda. And she wants many students around Japan to take this survey because she wants to do a little bit of research on how you are thinking about ChatGPT. What do you think about it? What do you feel about it? Is it useful, not useful? It's all in Japanese, so it should be very easy for you. Please answer with honest answers. It should take only about 10 minutes. Shouldn't take you long. Also, you can write anything you like because nobody knows your name. So it's an anonymous survey and shouldn't take you long. If you've already done it for 7D, then of course you don't have to do it again for 7C. But even if you did do this for 7D, I want you to do it for the 7C class as well. And so for everybody, this is a survey about my class. I want you to tell me, what do you think about my teaching? And there are only two questions. They're very easy. What did you like about the class? And what maybe you think I should change about the class? I don't know who wrote what. I don't care who wrote what. So just answer honestly. Shouldn't take you very long. Yes, you can write in Japanese, but this is an English class, so I'd like you to try to write at least a little bit in English, maybe some in English, some in Japanese. Okay, the assignments for this week, let's look at that, okay? The reflection, okay, is on this video. Watch the video, write your answer, send it up to Moodle. You also have a listening quiz, same system again, okay? Take it up to 3 times and Moodle will automatically remember your best score. Now, I wrote down here at the very bottom, okay, a separate little bit of advice for you. This is about your ChatGPT video. So a lot of you did fairly well with ChatGPT. I don't think there were too many big problems, but there were a few people that had some problems. So I want you to read this before your next ChatGPT video. But I also want to just explain a little bit. Number one, I think some people got confused and they didn't use Zoom. And this is why I asked you, does everyone have Zoom on their computers? I want you to use Zoom. I want you to use Zoom, and I want you to make sure that you have your camera on so I can see you talking to it. So you should have your computer, your phone. Zoom should be on your computer screen with your browser, recording your browser, and you're refreshing your browser at the same time the camera is on you. Now, all of that I actually talked about all the way up here in the, in the very top of the Moodle. And I made 3 videos. Okay, sorry, this is having a difficult time to refresh. Sorry. Okay, so these 3 videos, okay, how to do a voice chat with ChatGPT, okay, and also too the custom instructions. And then last, how to use Zoom. And some of you, I don't think you watched this. That's why you got a pretty low score. All of this has to be done together. Now, normally, if this was a class like, let's say, I don't know, another university, I don't think that's a big deal. But for you guys, you want to work as an engineer or you want to do computer coding, this shouldn't be difficult for you. So please follow my instructions. Now, I'll be talking about this again in Japanese, so it shouldn't be a problem for you to understand. But if you have any questions about this, or, and I should remind you, the reason why this is important is because you have your next ChatGPT conversation video coming up and that will be due on July 16th. So you only have a couple of weeks to do this. And you don't have to do it just once. If you do it and you watch it again, you go, wow, that was really bad. It's okay to try again. You can try it again as many times as you like. I want you to speak naturally, but if you didn't like it, or if there was a problem, suddenly ChatGPT became very slow and you couldn't continue the conversation, then start again. Try it on a different day. Sometimes ChatGPT will be very slow on Saturday, so wait until Sunday, try it again then. Okay, so if you have any questions, please contact me at jdmcruz@gmail.com. Otherwise, let's try our best to have a good class, everybody. There we go.